let everybody be in, right?
Ma'am, last time you said that you will today do.
What?
Ma'am, last time you said that today you will do why democracy.
But then some questions are still left of that electoral politics, no? Let us be thorough with that, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, will you mark the attendance over here, or we have to mark on the group?
You mark it on the group. I'll mark from there only. Okay, I have to share the screen now. I need to join as well. Okay, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये क्या हो गया? These question answers we have to share. You will be answering. Right? All
Yes,
those there,
ma'am.
one by one, everyone will read the statements and give the answer. The one who is reading will give the answer as well. Fine? The recording is going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So, Aiza.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Political parties try to attract dash by making various kinds of promises. Ma'am, votes.
Ma'am,
Political
voters.
parties try to attract voters, beta, not
Voters.
vote,
Ma'am,
voters.
voters.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Next, next to Aiza, whosoever is there, please read.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Kargi.
If the people are not happy with the government, they can vote against it in the next election.
Okay. If the people are not happy with the government, they can vote against it in the next elections. Very good. Next is Pavni.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am.
Pavni.
The best way to make democracy successful is that people rule themselves through their votes.
No,
Ma'am, through their representatives.
representatives. Yes, through their representatives. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is Aksada. Aksada, are you there? Aksada, can
Yes,
you
ma'am. 1 minute.
read out beta? Beta, just a minute. हाँ जी,
What
चलो.
is responsible for free and fair elections?
बताओ. बताओ बेटा.
May I tell?
Ma'am,
Yes.
may I tell?
Let Vibhanshu
Ma'am, may
tell.
I tell?
Yes, Vibhanshu. Let Vibhanshu tell beta.
On the election commission.
The election commissioner is responsible for conducting free and fair elections in India. Very good. Next, we have Abhyuday. Abhyuday,
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो बेटा. Next blank पढ़ो.
Ma'am, second.
No, fifth one.
Okay, ma'am. In Indian, elections are conducted on dash system of representation.
Answer बताओ. In India, the elections are conducted on.
Proportional.
No. Dash system of representation.
Ma'am, direct.
नहीं, याद करो हमने क्या पढ़ा था.
Ma'am, please tell.
It is area wise.
Okay, ma'am.
Area wise system of representation. बेटा 1 minute. We are doing this one, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ये clear हो गया. Area wise system of representation. ठीक है. हाँ, बुक में हमने पढ़ा था ना, constituencies बनाई जाती हैं.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Fine. Now we have matched the following. The abbreviated part is given on the left hand side, and on the right hand side the correct things are given. So who is the volunteer to do this? Abhishek
Ma'am,
Sharma.
may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Jigyasa, चलो करो.
Ma'am, first EPIC. Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Yes, beta.
Election photo identity card.
Very
Second, SC/ST reserved constituency.
Very good.
Third, EVM electronic voting machine.
Very good.
Fourth, election commission model code of conduct.
ठीक है. Very good. Next is who will tell this? See, study the picture and answer the question that follows. Which one of the following option best signifies this cartoon? All of you to read silently what is written over here and then answer the question. Okay, Viresh,
Ma'am, may I tell?
who is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this?
Never mind if your birth stars are not good. Try film stars for better poll results. Election campaigning going on with help of stars.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, this is the answer.
Yes, correct. Very good. First one, election campaign going on with the help of the famous movie stars. Coming to
Stars.
the next.
Ma'am, it can be fourth option too.
It can be fourth
Yes.
also. नहीं बेटा. Fourth कैसे हो जाएगा? Fourth तो ये कह रहा है political parties you'll नहीं. Never mind if your birth stars are not good. Try film stars
No,
for
ma'am,
better
fourth
poll
option.
results. हम वही कह रहे हैं आपसे कि अगर आप ये पिक्चर पढ़ रहे हो जिस तरह से यहाँ पे दिया है फॉर बेटर रिजल्ट पोल रिजल्ट्स, तो उसमें आपका इलेक्शन कैंपेन विद द हेल्प ऑफ फेमस मूवी स्टार्स, ये सही है.
मैम ये नहीं है.
ये ए ऑप्शन ए होगा, बी नहीं
Please
डी
say
नहीं
that
होगा.
page once again.
Which one of the following? Wait, let me put that clipping first. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Now what does it says?
The fourth option, political parties use film stars to attract public attention.
वो तो ठीक है, पर मेन मोटिव क्या होता है? इलेक्शन कैंपेन जो है उसमें मूवी स्टार्स की सपोर्ट ली जाती है ना, तो पहला वाला ऑप्शन ज्यादा सही होगा बेटा, मोर अप्रोप्रिएट होगा.
Okay, ma'am.
राइट? चलिए.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट अच्छा वेट. अरे भाई. Now the next question is, which one of the following option best signifies this cartoon? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, पढ़ो इसको. Which one of the following option best signifies this cartoon?
And what is written there in the first pic on the chart?
It
Yes,
is
ma'am.
written TN session. ये सेशन जो हमने जिनके बारे में आपको बताया था, इलेक्शन कमिश्नर थे.
MD. MD.
ऑप्शंस पढ़ो.
Ma'am, option D.
Option D. Once the
Option
shown
D.
person was an election commissioner and is
हाँ.
now part of the same process.
Process. Very good. The yesteryears before referee now is in the race. TN session के बारे में हमने बताया था, the one who suggested to have photo identity cards for the voting purpose. If you remember.
And what is the meaning of yesteryear?
मतलब पहले जो पहले के समय में जो कभी जो है रेफरी था, आज वो रेफरी जो है रेस का खुद हिस्सा है. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए. क्लियर हुआ ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now coming to the next one. Which one of the
Yes, ma'am.
following option? हाँ. Which one of the following option best signifies this cartoon? Stability, 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 stability. Then empty vessels sound much. Campaign में लिखा है, फिर लिखा है forest, land, water, wealth care, sorry, health care, electricity, unemployment, the real issues. अब इस कार्टून को बेस्ट कौन? हाँ, which option?
Ma'am, option C. Political parties often fail to address the real issues during the campaign for elections.
Very good, Karvi. Very good.
Yes.
Very good. चलिए, that's so good. अब आ जाओ next question पे. Very short answer questions. ठीक है? What is a ballot paper? विभांशु बताओ, what is a ballot paper?
And ballot paper is a paper on which the names of the parties are given and the candidates' names are given.
Along with the symbols.
And the
Okay?
along with the symbols.
Very good. Next, Pavni, what is the election photo identity card?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
What is the election photo identity card? Can you see the screen? I hope the screen is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Anybody who knows this answer?
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, election photo identity card is an ID card which is used at the time of voting. It contains the picture of the voter and the name. And this was done so that the forgery which occurs during the voting is stopped.
ठीक है. ठीक है. हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं that election photo identity card is issued by the election commissioner for so that the person can easily vote, or it entitles, this photo identity card entitles a person to vote. ठीक है. Issues which is issued by the election commissioner. Right? Okay.
Yes,
Srishti
ma'am.
Gautam. Srishti Gautam, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ, define electoral roll.
Ma'am, it is a list of eligible voters which is renewed every 5 years, and it is commonly known as voter list and officially known as electoral roll.
Very good. What is an electronic voting machine? अभ्युदय आप हैं क्या मीटिंग में? Can you all
May
see?
I tell?
Okay, Pavni, बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, this electronic voting machine is a kind of machine where the voters can vote their caste, and here there is a button which has the party symbol and the name. So the voter can press the button which party he wants to vote.
ठीक है. ठीक है. Very good. Next, who controls government officials who are on election duty? ये मानस, आपको क्या मीटिंग में बेटा? मानस, आर यू देयर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बताओ इसका आंसर बताओ. कह रहा है कि जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स होते हैं उनको कौन कंट्रोल करता है इलेक्शन ड्यूटी पे?
Election Commission.
मम्मी आए.
हाँ, कौन कर, हाँ, इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. वेरी गुड मानस. चलिए, उज्जवल आप हैं क्या क्लास में बच्चे? कैन यू हियर मी? हिज ऑडियो इज नॉट ऑन. उज्जवल बेटा. पुनीत आप हैं? पुनीत, आर यू देयर बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. What was the slogan coined by the following parties in the elections mentioned below? कांग्रेस पार्टी ने 1971 में क्या नारा लगाया था?
मैम, गरीबी हटाओ.
गरीबी हटाओ. वेरी गुड. और जनता पार्टी ने कौन सा नारा लगाया था? सेव डेमोक्रेसी.
Save democracy.
Yes, ma'am. Save democracy.
तो हिंदी में उसे क्या बोला था उन्होंने?
Ma'am.
डेमोक्रेसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं?
Ma'am, जनतंत्र.
वेरी गुड गार्गी.
जनतंत्र बचाओ.
जनतंत्र
जनतंत्र बचाओ.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट इज वेट. Okay. Which Vidhan Sabha has the largest number of members in the country? अभिषेक, आप हो क्या क्लास में? तो माइक ही नहीं ऑन करे हुए इन लोगों ने. अक्षत, अक्षत, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. मुझे बताओ, which Vidhan Sabha has the largest number of members in the country? विधानसभा क्या होती है पता है ना आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
स्टेट असेंबली को बोलते हैं विधानसभा. अक्षत, बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, Uttar Pradesh.
Very good. Uttar Pradesh. Very good. Next is, what is meant by a constituency? बताइए
Ma'am,
what is
may I?
meant? हाँ, yes, Pavni.
Ma'am, constituencies are area divided in the country on the basis of for the purpose of elections.
Or division of country into specific areas for the purpose of elections. Right? Very good.
Yes.
Next is, how many Lok Sabha constituencies are there at present?
Ma'am, 543.
Ma'am,
543. Very good.
540.
543. बेटा अगर आप लोग को आता है तो आप बता दो रेंडमली, मैं भूल जाती हूँ नाम लेना एक्चुअली. ठीक है, चलिए 543. वेरी गुड. जस्ट अ मोमेंट. चलिए, स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when can an election be called free and fair?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, an election can be called free and fair when every citizen above 18 years of age has the right to vote and a real choice is offered at equal intervals of time.
Very good. Very good. Now coming to the next question. What makes an election
Ma'am,
democratic?
Also add that when rigging and fraud practices are not done.
Or we can say that when voters are allowed to cast their vote without any fear and as per their own choices, like where there is no pressure created on the voters to vote for a particular candidate or a particular party.
The election should be held in free and fair election.
हाँ, that is only considered as a free and fair election. आपके दिमाग, आप वोट देने जा रहे हो पर आपको पता है कि आप अपनी मर्जी के कैंडिडेट को नहीं दे पाओगे, या आप जिसको देना चाहते हो आपको पता है कि वो पावर में नहीं आ पाएगा, तो आप पर फोर्स क्या करते हो, उसको वोट ना देके किसी और को वोट दे देते हो. तो जब एक वोटर मेंटली फ्री होता है फ्रॉम एवरी काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर, जहाँ पे वो अपने आप से वोट दे सके, उसको हम फ्री एंड फेयर बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है. अगर यही आंसर आपको 3 मार्क्स का या 5 मार्क्स का आएगा, देन यू हैव टू राइट एवरीथिंग. फ्री एंड फ्रॉडलेंट प्रैक्टिस, वो आपका रिगिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए, फ्रॉडलेंट प्रैक्टिसेस नहीं होनी चाहिए. Every person should be given, every eligible voter should be given a chance to vote. One person, one vote, one value should be considered. Then the government should not proper norms. The code of conduct should be followed by the political parties while initiating the campaign and everything. तो वो सब चीजें फिर इसमें आ जाएंगी free and fair elections.
And the fundamental principle of political equality should be followed.
Should be followed. Very good. चलिए, हम ये 3 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस है. ठीक है. You all can see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what makes an election democratic?
Ma'am, an election can be called democratic when the voters are not forced to vote for the particular representative and they can choose representative on their own. And also a democratic election is where elections are held at particular time intervals.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am.
Any other point can be added? हाँ धनंजय बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, can we write these types of question points?
हाँ बिल्कुल बेटा, ये आपको हर तरीके के क्वेश्चन को पॉइंट्स में ही लिखना है. आपको कैसा भी क्वेश्चन आए, 1 मार्क के क्वेश्चन में तो ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन नॉट राइट डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स, बट यू हैव टू वाइंड अप योर आंसर इन अ सेंटेंस और 2. बट ये जो 3 मार्क्स और 5 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं बेटा, इसमें आपको पॉइंट्स पे स्पेसिफाई पे ही जो है पूरा का पूरा एम्फेसाइज रखना है अपना. ठीक है. जो भी आप आंसर लिखोगे, अगर आप इंट्रोडक्शन देना चाहते हो पर्टिकुलर आंसर का, आप इंट्रोडक्टरी लाइंस लिखो, फिर आप उसके पॉइंट्स पे आ जाओ, फिर आप उसको कंक्लूड कर दो. जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चे हमने देखा है, वो इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं आंसर से लिखने से पहले, पॉइंट्स लिखने से पहले, उसके बाद दे कम टू द पॉइंट्स एंड देन दे कंक्लूड द आंसर. तो दिस इज आल्सो वन वे ऑफ राइटिंग. ठीक है.
Okay.
हाँ. Okay, now in modern democracies, representative governments are popular. Can you give the reason why?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, in modern democracy, representative governments are popular because Nowadays, the population is quite high, so it is not possible for every citizen to sit together and then take the decision for the country.
ठीक है. Can there be any other point for this? बताओ, any other point for this? ठीक है, ये एकदम ठीक है. Right, Gargi? Next is
Yes.
who, very good, बच्चे. Who allots symbols to the political parties?
Ma'am, you left one question.
I have left one question. Sorry. Is it good to have a political competition? Give reasons.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
सृष्टि,
ma'am.
अच्छा चलो बताओ. धनंजय, आप बताओ, इसका आंसर बताओ. Give reasons why it is good to have political competition.
Ma'am, because it have many limitations by which, ma'am, the representative don't do dirty tricks and
ठीक है. और क्या हो सकता है
Ma'am,
इसका
because
आंसर?
of the political competition, it gets easy for the voters to know that which is the appropriate party for whom they should vote.
ठीक है, very good. And what if the answer is no? No, it is not good to have political competition. Then what reasons are you going to give? Advantages and disadvantages of political
Factionalism.
competition. Yes, Gargi.
Competition and the
It
elector.
creates factionalism among the citizens.
It creates a factionalism among the citizens. What else?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the political parties put allegations on each other.
Okay, the political parties, they put allegations on each other. ठीक है, what else?
Ma'am, they use dirty tricks and malpractice in the election.
ठीक है, very good. और इसके advantages क्या बताएंगे हम?
Ma'am, due to the political competition, the parties work for the welfare of the people.
Very good. And if by chance a wrong party comes into power, then the people have the choice to unvote them in the next elections, right?
Election.
हाँ, very good. Very good. Is this
Excuse
answer
me,
clear
ma'am.
to everyone? हाँ बच्चे, गार्गी बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, if in exam this question comes, then it's our choice, na? Ki
हाँ,
what we
बिल्कुल
have to write.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. See, if in exam it comes that is it good to have political competition, then to it is completely your wish whether you want to say yes or no, right? But if it comes, what are the disadvantages of political competition? Then you have to stick to the disadvantages only.
Okay, ma'am.
And if it comes in the other way, like write the advantages of having political competition, then you have to stick to those points which are the verify the good practices of the political competition, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Next question is, who allots symbols to the political parties? आज नैना missing है class से, ऐसा क्यों?
Ma'am, president.
हाँ?
Ma'am, they have their NCC classes on Wednesday.
Okay, right. That is right. चलो ठीक है. हाँ, धनंजय बताओ, who allots symbols to the political parties? Dhananjay?
Ma'am, the election commission.
And the election.
Yes, it is the election commission who allots symbols to the political parties. Very good. Now, what is the importance of these symbols? Are these symbols important?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, those who are not
No,
Ma'am,
the
those who are
names.
not literate can vote
yes,
by
ma'am.
using this symbol.
Can vote by seeing the symbol.
By? दोबारा बताओ.
Ma'am, they recognize the symbols and can vote for the party.
हाँ, because these symbols, they help the people to recognize a particular political party and vote for their representatives in the elections, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will write that these symbols are very important as it makes the general public aware of the symbol of a particular candidate to which party that person belongs, and moreover it helps in the when it comes on the voting part, it helps the general public to vote for that particular candidate whom they want to bring to power. Okay. Then write in brief about the secret ballot system. What is the secret ballot system, Shrishti Gautam?
Ma'am, it is in which the people put their votes the ballot paper.
Or we can say that the secret ballot system is a system where secret voting takes place. Before the EVMs were introduced in the election process, ballot boxes were used along with the ballot papers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Because it is a 3 marks question, so I think this much is more than sufficient. Or you can write that why the EVMs have been introduced. Okay. Or you can write both about secret ballot system, both about the ballot boxes and the EVMs. Like initially ballot boxes were used, and now we have switched to the better system of vote recording, that is the electronic voting machines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next is, are the elections too expensive for our country? Yes or no?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Why they are too expensive for
Yes,
our
ma'am.
country? Hmm?
Ma'am, because a lot of money is wasted in the campaigning part.
Exactly. Posters, banners, manifestos, pamphlets, all these things, it is the sheer wastage of the hard-earned money of the general
Money.
public, right? Okay, very good. Now, why was voting age reduced in India from 21 to 18? Do you know the reason why?
No, ma'am.
Anybody? Anybody in the class?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, so that more people have responsibility over them to choose a particular or a representative for their country or state.
This can also be one reason. Anybody else? बताओ. इस क्वेश्चन को हम डिस्कस करेंगे कल, ठीक है? आज रहने देते हैं, थोड़ा लेंदी हो जाएगा ये, ठीक है? रिमाइंड मी टुमारो, वी विल डिस्कस दिस आंसर. ओके बच्चे?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay,
Come to
ma'am.
next question. हाँ, come to the next question. What is the importance of an election manifesto? What is election manifesto, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Now, what is the importance of this election manifesto?
Ma'am, it makes the general people aware of the promises which the party is making.
हाँ. Or the work that would be done by the party that comes to power. Or this election manifesto decides the fate of the political parties also. Many of the people, they vote for a particular political party only by going through the election manifesto that is prepared by those political parties, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. चलिए. What are the weaknesses of simple majority system?
Ma'am, screen share gone.
हाँ, wait. Coming to that only. अब आ गया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the role played by political parties during an election? बताओ
Ma'am, like
बेटा.
in sense are they asking?
हाँ. They are asking that what role is played by the political parties during the elections. Elections में political parties का क्या role होता है?
Ma'am, they nominate their candidates and issue the election manifesto.
Right. What else?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
they go on with their
campaigns.
election
हाँ.
campaign.
they go for
Ma'am, they do election campaigns.
they go for election campaigns. They even come up with slogans, catchy slogans that may attract the attention of the general public, right? Like this गरीबी हटाओ, जनतंत्र बचाओ, ये सब ये स्लोगन्स ही थे जो कि उस टाइम पे इलेक्शंस में फेमस हुए, पॉपुलर हुए. लोगों ने इनके थ्रू जो है समझा कि भाई हम ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हमारे लिए क्या बेटर करेंगी या नहीं कर पाएंगी कि नहीं कर पाएंगी. ठीक है, ठीक है बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, और बताइए, और कोई चीज, और कोई पॉइंट हो सकता है इसमें?
Ma'am, can we write that their members sit on the polling booths while the time of voting?
नहीं, इसमें पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज नहीं. हाँ ठीक है, बता सकते हो कि एट द टाइम ऑफ वोटिंग एवरी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी मेंबर्स एवरी there is one representative from each political parties to ensure that free and fair elections are taking place. Okay, ये आप लिख सकते हो. Very good. Then what are the weaknesses of, क्या गया, what are the weaknesses of simple majority system? क्या कोई
What
weaknesses?
is simple majority system?
अरे जहाँ पे सीधा सीधा इंसान जीत जाता है, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जीत जाती है, सिंपल मेजॉरिटी सिस्टम.
Ma'am, the people are not no right to.
बताओ.
The people of the country are given no right to choose their representatives.